getting hit with the "this software cannot be used at the same time as the game" error in FC26. But don't worry, we have got a clean fix that will get you back in the game without compromising performance. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to spot for smart tech fixes and gaming troubleshooting. Stick around for a step-by-step guide that's clear, quick, and tailored for low-end setups. Method 1. Uninstall interception via command prompt. Go to File Explorer, then this PC, then select Local Disk. Look for any folder or file related to interception, a driver often used for input remapping. Next, search for CMD in the Start menu, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Run this command to uninstall the interception driver. Press Enter and wait for confirmation. Restart your PC. After rebooting, run the uninstall command again to ensure it's fully removed. Press Enter and restart your PC once more. Method 2. Reinstall or repair the EA anti-cheat. The next thing you can do is repair or reinstall EA anti-cheat. Go to the installation location for FC26, open the folder and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA anti-cheat folder, open it. Double-click on the EA anti-cheat installer. From here, select your game. Click on the repair option, then on OK. Next, go to the game installation location and select the folder. Then click on the select folder option. This will repair the anti-cheat. Next, click on update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Next, select the game from the drop-down menu and click on the install button to install the anti-cheat. After the installation finishes, start the game and check if the issue persists. Method 3. Close background apps. Open Task Manager using Windows Search, or you can press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Look for apps like Daemon Tools, DS4 Windows, right-click and choose End Task. Method 4. Uninstall virtual drivers. The next thing you can do is uninstall the virtual drivers if you have any. To do so, open Device Manager, expand Storage Controllers, look for entries like Daemon Tools like Virtual SCSI Bus. Right-click and choose Uninstall Device. Method 5. Remove third-party apps. If you have installed any third-party apps in your system, then that can also conflict with the game. To fix that, uninstall those apps like Wallpaper Engine, Codec, any other input or overlay tools. To uninstall any app, press Windows plus I to open Settings, open Apps and then head to Installed Apps. Click on the three-dot menu next to the app you want to uninstall. Click on the Uninstall button. Once the uninstallation of the app completes, restart your PC. Method 6. Contact EA Support. If the method shown in this video could not fix the issue, then you can reach out to EA Support for help. And that's it. Your FC error should be history now. If this fix worked for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more fast, effective tech solutions. Got a different workaround or still facing issues? Drop it in the comments. We read everyone and love helping out. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video with more smart fixes and gaming tips.